Ready to turn your Roblox creations into Robux in PLS Donate? First, head over to Roblox Command, click on the Create tab at the top of the page. Make sure you're logged into your account. This brings you to the creator dashboard. Now, find your game, the one you want to create. Game passes for if you don't have a game yet. You'll need to create one first. Any basic game will do. Once you've selected your game, click on the menu in the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you see associated items and click on it. You'll see a section labeled Passes. This is where the magic happens. Click the big blue Create a Pass button. Now, it's time to customize your Game Pass. Click Choose File to upload an image. This could be a logo, an item, or anything that represents what the Game Pass offers. Give your Game Pass a catchy name and a short description to entice players. Hit Create Pass at the bottom. Awesome. Your Game Pass is now created, but it's not for sale yet. Click on the image of your newly created pass. You'll be taken to a new page in the left-hand menu. Click on the Sales tab. Toggle the item for sale, switch to the on position now. Enter the price you want to charge for your Game Pass in Robux. Remember, Roblox takes a percentage of each sale, so factor that in. Once you set your price, click the Save Changes button and that's it. Your Game Pass is now available for purchase in PLS Donate. Head into the game, claim a booth, and watch the Robux roll in. Good luck.